Larte Design's Winner Kit. Subtle refinement for the Mercedes-AMG GLS 63. The Mercedes-AMG GLS 63 is already a bold statement on the road, but German tuner Larte Design believes there's room for improvement. Their newly released Winner Body Kit aims to sharpen the SUV's appearance without resorting to excessive modifications, offering a restrained yet aggressive upgrade. Key modifications: carbon fiber and subtle aggression. The most noticeable change is the addition of a carbon fiber hood, complete with integrated vents to improve engine cooling. Larte also fitted a new splitter to the front bumper, and carbon fiber accents now line the air intakes. The kit isn't about radical transformation, but rather a purposeful enhancement. Flared wheel arches. Both front and rear accommodate optional aftermarket forged wheels, though owners can retain their factory rims if preferred. At the rear, a carbon fiber diffuser, curved roof spoiler, bumper overlays, and revised tailpipes complete the aesthetic overhaul. Engineered for reversibility, Larte prioritizes practicality. All body components are crafted from lightweight prepreg carbon fiber and have received TÜV certification, ensuring quality and compliance. Crucially, the kit utilizes existing mounting points, meaning no cutting or permanent alterations are required. This is a major benefit for buyers concerned about resale value. The parts can be easily removed, restoring the vehicle to its original factory condition. A measured approach, unlike some of Larte's more flamboyant creations, such as their dramatic Cadillac Escalade kit with its exposed carbon hood and aggressive extensions. The Winner package is deliberately understated. This approach preserves the AMG's inherent character, while amplifying its presence on the road. The Winner Kit avoids the extremes, offering a refined upgrade that complements, rather than overpowers, the Mercedes-AMG GLS 63's existing design. The focus on reversibility and quality engineering suggests Larte is targeting buyers who want a premium modification without compromising practicality or future resale options.